Okay guys, for today's video, magugulat kayo kasi si Aling Poring, si Pure Gold, meron pala siyang loan service. So it is handled by Pure Gold Finance Company na si Pure Gold nga ang may-ari. Ayan. So nakakagulat na meron pala. So hindi naman din siya parang hindi siya yung papautang nila yung grocery nila. Hindi yun. As in personal loan ang pinapautang nila. So kung gusto mo malaman ang details about the Pure Gold personal loan, yan, samahan nyo ako pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here in my channel, I do reviews about entrepreneurship, small business, and personal finance na meron na akong experience. Ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, so kala natin na si Aling Poring ay pang groceries lang siya or yung pangbenta sa tindahan, mga ganun lang. Well, it turns out na hindi pala. So, one of their subsidiary company is Pure Gold Finance Incorporated. And sila ang nagmamanage ng lending service ng kumpanya nilang Pure Gold. So, before we head over dun sa website nila, makikita natin si Pure Gold Finance sa SEC website. So, ito yung kanilang SEC registration. So, ayan, legit na legit ang operation ni Pure Gold Finance Incorporated. Let's go over sa website nila, which is puregold-finance.com.ph. Okay, so ito yung makikita natin once we go there. Ayan, fast approval, we ensure speedy approval of loan. Yan, need a salary loan, contact us, yada yada, our mission and vision. So, kung gusto yung basahin, go over daw. Yeah. And then, ito yung, why loan with us? So, sabi nila, non-collateral daw ang loan nila, which is, marami naman na talagang non-collateral loan. Easy to apply, okay. Sige, fast approval, okay. Customer service, no hidden charges, say no to changing and confusing rates. We provide you the standard monthly rates. And strategic locations. Wala namang masyadong appealing eh. Ito daw yung loan process nila. So, click and download the application form. And then, once you submit it, phone call verification and sasabihin kayo kung ano yung mga kailangan nyo pa or what. So, basically, credit investigation. And then, 2 weeks processing lang. Well, hindi naman siya fast approval kasi 2 weeks processing. And then, claim your amount. Okay. So, meron din silang calculator dito for us na makita yung interest rate nila. Select a branch near you. So, let's say, siguro Cubao na lang. Yan. And then, loan amount is, sabihin natin, 10,000 pesos. And then, payment terms, yan, 12 months. So, dito, meron na siyang loan summary. Interest rate daw nila is 4%. Loan amount is 10,000 and payment terms is 12. So, ang total interest payment natin sa kanya ay 4,800 pesos. Ang total payable natin is 14,800. And then, kung magbabayad tayo semi-monthly, it's 116.67. So, i-calculate natin yan. So, sabi niya, ang semi-monthly amortization natin is 616.67. So, i-times 2 natin kasi para makita natin monthly. Ayan. So, bali 1,233.34 yung babayaran natin monthly times 12. Yan. 14,800.08 nga. Which is yun nga yung nakalagay. Ilas natin 10,000, the principal amount, and then, ito yung interest natin. Total interest is 4,800, which is tama naman sa calculator nila. And then, i-divide natin yan by the principal amount para makita natin yung annual percentage rate, which would give us 48% per annum. Well, this is purely based on their calculation or yung sa website nila. To sa kanilang Facebook page, tiningnan ko rin naman. So sabi dito, for 3 to 12 months, it's 4%. Then, if 13 months to 24 months, it would be 3.5% per month or around 42% per annum. So now, nakita na natin ang personal loan ni Pure Gold. There's one thing that I should note to you guys. Hindi ito yung automatic debit arrangement, yung payment. So, you need to submit a post-dated checks upon loan disbursement. So, a mode of payment is by checking account. So, mag-i-issue ka ng post-dated checks. Kung 12 months to pay, 12 post-dated checks ang i-issue mo sa kanila. And sa mga post-dated checks, guys, medyo mag-ingat tayo dyan kasi yan, pwede yan bumalik sa atin at makasuhan tayo ng estafa. Kasi nga, meron ng checks involved. So now na na-clear ko na yan sa inyo, yung disclaimer na yan, how does Pure Gold personal loan compare with the personal loan ng mga lending services na na-discuss na natin? Since 48% per annum ang interest rate ng 1 year, so dito makita natin syempre unang-una yung BPI, BDO, Metrobank, Union Bank, East West, mas okay pa yung credit card, mas okay pa yung Revi Credit. So lalabas na nandito na siya sa pangalawang group natin, which is the GLoan GG's last pay na around 48% per annum. And then followed by yung mga na-discuss na natin previously, Bilis Tumaya, and then the online lending apps na nasa huli. So what's our conclusion? Well, it's a good to know na merong ganyang lending service si Aling Puring, si Pure Gold. And masasabi ko naman na nasaktuhan lang yung kanyang interest rate. However guys, you must note nga na post-dated check ang pambayad dito and hindi mo sila pwedeng takbuhan katulad ng ginagawa mo sa mga online lending apps. Okay? Guys, let's be a responsible borrower. Okay? Walang tatakbo sa mga utang. Before you loan, you should know where you are going to get the money to pay for your monthly amortization. Okay? Yun lagi ang kailangan nating isip bago tayo umutang. Saan ko kukunin ang pambabayad ko dyan sa utang na yan? Okay? So, for our question of the day, na-experience mo na ba mag-issue ng cheque for payments? And alam mo ba ang legal implication ng pagtalbog ng cheque? Let me know sa comment section sa baba and may chance kayo manalo ng 1,000 pesos GCash sa ating GCash giveaway. And syempre, huwag niyo kalimutan maglagay ng hashtag Road to 75k subs and mag-like and subscribe dito sa aking channel for your chance naman na manalo ng cellphone giveaway once we reach the 75k milestone. So yun lang muna po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout muna tayo at shoutout kay at RV Macedag. Sabi niya, super informative talaga ng videos nyo, Sir Pat, pa-shoutout. At RV Macedag, shoutout sa iyo and thank you at nandyan pa rin kayo na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking mga videos and channel. Yun lang muna po for today's video. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan. But continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!